Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have a brand new customer today here. I just shot a video for you to walk around this pretty cool, who will not like this, 1986 4Runner 4-wheel drive. This one, in my opinion, unusually an automatic 4-wheel drive. Bunch of extras, bunch of stuff missing, but this will be unfortunately rant, R-A-N-T, about certain products. I'm replacing for this owner these both tie rod ends, the outer tie rods. And I wish I filmed the whole procedure, but I was in a hurry and I didn't. So that was a cash account. I can show you it's a MOOG product. This is how much it cost, was purchased locally. There's nobody's name there or anything. And I just realized it's a junk. This part is a garbage. It's complicating my work. And I'm not sure if that's normal with a MOOG products. I don't know. Are these bad? Is it a bad product, MOOG? You tell me in the comments. I need to share this with you and you will share your own experience. So it came from the customer. I didn't purchase it. It's from different seller. And when I compare them, to keep the alignment of the vehicle the same as it came. So I was going to count. I counted what was sticking out, right? What amount of threads was coming out of this assembly. So I counted that first. I removed the old part. Where are you, baby? Where are you, baby? Look at this. It has so much play. It's absolutely ridiculous. You saw it in the other video, but that's where the trouble starts. Observe this thread. It's way shorter, so I cannot compare it with the MOOG part. But now comes the problem. I need to go more in, because if you do that very rough check, if you look on the surface of this tire, these two surfaces, if you align them, in this case I know the steering wheel is straight in the vehicle and the tire is basically following the rear tire. When I align everything and I move very slightly out, the tire is following the rear tire, and that's a rough estimate. Here I keep screwing it more and more in here, but I can't really move much, and I will explain why. And I'm still need to go like a 2 turns. I need to do like a 2 turns on this. Because the tire, when I align it, I'm like hitting the middle of the rear tire. So this is, if I give it to him back, I will be pulling crazily to one side and the whole steering will be crooked. Now comes the problem, my complaint and the rant. If you look at this outer tie rod end, or outer tie rod, whatever you want to call it, tie rod end, it says here, the whole thread, it's completely straight and perfect all the way to the end. And not on the MOOG. The MOOG, the thread looks normal up to here, and now it's becoming, the shaft is becoming wider. So basically, I barely turn it all the way here, but looking at the vehicle, I need to do like 2 more turns. And this is not right. If you compare it to the other part, that one is fine. This one is getting conical, it's getting bigger and bigger, if that makes sense. So you tell me, guys, underneath the video, please, if you have the same experience, What do you think about the MOOG parts? Believe it or not, I never bought it in my life once from my supplier, so I honestly don't know what to think about that brand. So please share your experience below video. I will read it. I will most likely not comment on it, but I will read it all. So thank you for that. I appreciate it. And we subscribe. Way more is coming soon. Catch you later, my friend.